Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Master Ali. My name is Kerry. Today we are going to talk about Metabo 12-volt battery drill. Let's do an open box. This is a whole drill set. We're going to talk about the basic, the drill itself, the charger, the extra battery, standard 2-speed 1 and 2, a hammer. As well, you can drill tiles and bricks, not for construction wall for sure. The torque control from 1 to 20. Okay, basic. And then the battery here, it's a little bit different is here. Press, release. Unlike the others, press it here and then release. Battery indicator here. So what comes with the box? I'm going to open it. 20 of the screw bit and all the metal drilling bits. This is for tile drilling bits. This are for wood. This is called the graph paper. Very nice. Love it. Of course, this comes with the spares all in here. I'm gonna put it back. We're going to run some tests about this Metabo PowerMax SP12. This is the extreme long screw, 20 centimeters. So let's get ready. All right, hold it tight. 3, 2, 1. I think it's good to have at home. If you don't have any tools, it has basically everything. You just gotta get one set. And the downside is Metabo is quite a big brand, just like Hilti or Milwaukee. The product itself it could be quite pricey at your country. In Hong Kong, it costs around 1,400, something like this. Anyway, hope you like this video. Give us a like, share, and subscribe to our channel.